welcome to your math video. I am your math teacher Jeevita. In today's video, you will be learning a new chapter, that is lesson number 13. Lesson number 13, polygons. So you already know what are polygons. Polygons are nothing but a closed figure, and it should have only straight lines as its sides. See, even this is a closed figure, but this doesn't have a straight line, so it is not a polygon. Any shape which has a straight line and it is closed is a polygon. Okay, and polygon starts with basically three sides. The shape which has three sides are called triangle. Yes, correct. And the sides which has four sides are called, you all the four-sided figure, normally you will say rectangle or square, right? Yes, but four-sided figures are many. You can see here so many four-sided figures I have written on the board. So all are having four sides. So all together should have one name. Yes, it has a name, and that is quadrilaterals. Four-sided figure are called quadrilaterals. And one example I have given here is here. The figure ABCD has four sides, and hence it is a quadrilateral and it is a polygon because it is closed. And how will you name this quadrilateral? It is a quadrilateral. Just how you made the triangle, you drew a small symbol of triangle and wrote the alphabets A, B, C on a triangle, right? Just like that, even this can be named using a symbol of quadrilateral and the alphabets here is A, B, C, D because it has four sides, A, B, C, D. So this represents the name of the quadrilateral here. Okay? And in quadrilateral you already know there are four sides and they also have four angles. They also have four angles. You know how to represent the angles already, right? So you should write the angle symbol and make sure this angle which you are representing, that letter to be in center and other two letters which are next to it, that to be any side, like C and B are next to it. So I write B here, C and D. So what is the angle I am representing here? BCD means this angle. So similarly, can you name the angle here? It is angle CDA. CDA. So this is all you know already. Now let's go and learn something new. So I said there are so many quadrilaterals. Now one by one we will be reading about the quadrilaterals and their properties. These properties are very important, children. Not only in your fifth, you go to your higher grades also. These properties you have to use it in your future mathematics. So please understand properly and store it in your mind permanently. Okay? So first one is parallelogram. In your lines chapter, right? Yeah, there you have learned what is parallel lines. The lines which do not meet each other at any point is called parallel lines. Yes, in this figure also, these two lines are parallel. They don't meet each other even if I extend them. Similarly, these two sides are opposite sides are parallel and equal. Fine? And this is the main two properties of the parallelogram. Now let's go for the next one. The rectangle. So you all are familiar with rectangle and square from your second or even from the first standard. So rectangle has four sides and the opposite sides are equal. You already know that this and this side are equal, this and this side are equal. So opposite sides are equal. And are they parallel? Yes, of course they are parallel because it doesn't meet anywhere when even if you extend. So they are also parallel. This is the first point. The other point you have to keep in mind is all the angles in this rectangle are equal to 90 degree. Angles are equal to 90 degree. This is the second point. In this, what about the angles, children? Here, all the angles will be equal. Actually, to say these two opposite angles and these two opposite angles will be always equal in a parallelogram. So here, in third point, opposite angles are equal. This is the third point in parallelogram. In this, opposite sides are equal and parallel also, and all the angles are equal to 90 degree. Now come for the square. So what do you know about square? Square has all the sides equal. So all the sides are equal in square. If one side is, all the sides are equal. If one side is equal to 4 centimeter, all the sides will be 4 centimeter only. Okay? And the next property is all the angles in this are just like the rectangle. All the angles in this are 90 degree. All the angles is equal to 90 degree. So this is the two properties of square. Okay, so let's revise. Parallelogram. Opposite sides are parallel and equal. Opposite angles are equal. Here, opposite sides are equal and parallel and all the angles are equal to 90 degrees. Here, all the sides are equal and all the angles are equal to 90 degrees. Now let's go for the next one here. So you will all know the shape. You would have said this as diamond, but it has a name called rhombus. Okay, rhombus. Rhombus is just like square, okay, but it is tilted where all the sides are equal. So in rhombus, just like square, it also has all the properties just like square. All the sides are equal. Sides are equal and also parallel. Okay, all the sides are equal and parallel, and even all the angles are also equal. All the angles are equal. They are not equal to 90 degree like square. They are just equal. Fine. If it is here 45, everything should be 45. It's like that. Now let's go for trapezium. Children, I think you may find it, this is new, so you may find it difficult to pronounce it. So please pronounce it after me. It is trapezium. Okay, once again, it is trapezium. In trapezium, one side will always be parallel. Okay, one pair of sides. See, this opposite sides are parallel. They don't meet at each other. But these two sides are not like that. If we extend, they may meet at any one point. Okay, so only one pair of opposite sides are parallel. One pair of opposite sides are parallel. And then nothing to say about this. So this is trapezium. But in this trapezium, you have one special trapezium where So just like this, same point. And the one more extra point is the other pair of sides are equal. The non-parallel sides here are equal. So let me write that point. Non-parallel sides are equal. So that is special about trapezium. Next we are going for a normal shape which you all know, the kite. So what is the property of kite? So let me say you. Once again. So if you see in the sky, always these two sides are equal and these two sides are equal. So sides which are next to each other, this side and this side are equal. This side and this side are equal. If the sides are like this, we call it as opposite sides. When the sides are next to each other, we call it as adjacent sides. Okay? Adjacent sides. So in kite, the two pair of adjacent sides are equal. Okay? Two pair of adjacent. So I write a short form here. Adjacent sides are equal. And then in this, here this angle and this angle are equal. So let me draw one small line here in between. So what is the line joining the two opposite sides called? It is called a diagonal. So this is a long diagonal here. If I draw one more diagonal, this will be short diagonal. Okay. So this is called long diagonal. So the angles opposite to the diagonal, the long diagonal here, are equal in the kite. So let me write angle opposite to long diagonal are equal. Okay children, so it's very important to remember the properties. So I'm going to revise once again, carefully listen to. First one is parallelogram. It has two pair of opposite sides equal and parallel. And opposite angles are equal. Next is rectangle. In rectangle, opposite sides are parallel and equal, same like parallelogram, but speciality is the four angles are always equal to 90 degrees. Okay, so this is also parallelogram. Okay, but special parallelogram having angles all equal to 90 degrees. So even square has parallel sides. Okay, but one more speciality added to this is all the sides are equal and all the angles are equal to 90 degrees. Okay. Now come to rhombus. Rhombus is nothing but just like a square where all the sides are equal and parallel. Okay. But the angles here are all equal but not equal to 90 degrees, but it's all equal. Fine. Next we go for trapezium. In trapezium, only one pair of opposite sides are parallel. Okay? And in this trapezium, we have a special type of trapezium which we call it as isosceles trapezium. You have already learned isosceles triangle, which means two sides are equal. Yes, same thing follows in isosceles trapezium too. In isosceles trapezium, one pair of opposite sides are parallel and one pair of non-parallel sides are equal. So this is a special type of trapezium. The next is kite. In kite, be learning about the angles and how to find the angles when the other three angles are given and one is to be found. So now let's learn the angle sum property of a quadrilateral. Just how you learn the angle sum property in a triangle. What is the angle sum property in a triangle? All the three angles should be equal to 180 degrees. Just like that, in quadrilateral, how many angles you have in a quadrilateral? You have 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 angles in a quadrilateral. So, when you add all the 4 angles, that means sum of all the 4 angles should be equal to 360 degrees. So, it should be equal to 360 degrees. So, I know it should be 360 degrees. Okay, let me name them A, B, C, D, and I am going to give the angles here. This to be 40, here 45, 60. Now you should find the missing angle here. How will I find it out? Just like how you did in your triangles, take the angles A plus B plus C and plus D equal to 360 degrees. And what is angle A here? 45. Angle B 60. Angle C 40. Plus angle D I don't know. So let me write it. Angle D itself. It should be equal to 360 degrees. Now what is the sum of all these things? 60 plus 40 is 100. 100 plus 45 is 145 degrees. Is equal plus D should be equal to 360 degrees. Now how to find D? You have to subtract 360 by this number minus 145. So what will be my answer? My answer would be 215. So my missing angle would be 215 degrees. Okay, so the angle D is 215 degrees. This is called the angle sum property, and now you know how to find the missing angle too. So that's it, your explanation. So now let's go for the working. So all of you take your textbook, page number 158. Exercise 30.1. The first main is very easy. The first main, name the quadrilateral. So I will be writing only answers on the board for you. The first main, exercise 30.1, name the quadrilaterals. What is the first quadrilateral? It is the parallelogram. The second one, you all know it's a square. And other three, just write out children. It's very easy. You can write it. Now let's go for the second name. I'll show you how to write the sides of a parallel sides here. Mark and name equal and parallel sides. So first one, a question. That is parallel sides. In the figure, which is parallel to each other, children? So you can see AB, side AB is parallel to DC, and also side AD is parallel to BC. So these two sides are parallel to each other. This is parallel. So next question is equal sides. So which are equal sides? Here, same thing children, whatever you have written here, they are equal also. So AB is equal to BC, or AB is equal to DC, and AD is equal to BC. Okay, now let's go for the second one. Even in second one, you have the same thing. Just see what are the parallel sides first. PS is parallel to QR. Okay, and PQ is parallel to SR, and they are also equal. So same thing goes for equal also, equal sides. in rhombus, I said it is all the sides equal. Sorry, opposite sides are equal. Okay. So first one is rhombus, where all the sides are equal and opposite angles are equal. Second one, opposite sides are equal. Which shape has opposite sides equal? It may be parallelogram and rectangle also. So I am going to choose rectangle. Next one, all sides are equal and each angle is equal to 90 degrees. It is a square. And the last two I want you to try it. I will be saying the answers in the interactive session for you. Now let's go for fourth main. Right? True or false? Every square is a rectangle. Yes, it is true. It is a special type of rectangle. So first one is true. A rhombus can never be a square. False. If rhombus, all the angles are equal, it makes a square. So it can be a square. A parallelogram has only one pair of parallel sides? No, parallelogram has two sides of parallel sides. So third one is false. The opposite angles are equal in a trapezium? No. False. The sum of four angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees? Yes, it is true. Sixth one. A quadrilateral has only one diagonal? No, diagonal means the opposite lines. So you can have two diagonals in a quadrilateral. So the sixth one is false again. False. Now let's go for fill in the blanks. So in fill in the blanks, a polygon with 6 sides is called. What is a polygon with 6 sides called, children? You have learned in your previous classes. It is hectagon. Hectagon. A trapezium in which only one pair of non-parallel sides are equal. So the special type of trapezium we learned, that is isosceles trapezium. Isosceles trapezium. Next one. A polygon having 4 equal sides is. So you have two polygons which have 4 all the equal sides. That is square and also rhombus. So you can write both the names. Next one. A quadrilateral has dash equal triangles. In the quadrilateral, how many triangles you can do, children? If I think this is my quadrilateral, if I divide it into two, this looks like one triangle, this looks like other triangle. So you can have two triangles in one quadrilateral. A rectangle dash right angle. A rectangle has how many right angles? Right angle means 90-degree angle. So in rectangle, all the 4 angles are 90 degrees. So it has 4 right angles. Quadrilaterals dash and dash are equal diagonals. So this is 6 one in square and rectangle. The diagonals are equal, children. So in square and a rectangle, the diagonals are always equal. So we have finished the 5th main. Now we will go for the 6th main. So in 6th main, you have to work it out. So take your rough book and just work it out with me and take your answers, children. So 6th main. First one. They have given 3 sides and they have asked us to find the 4th side. So just how we showed in the example. So let's So 120 plus 60. It is 180. 180 plus 75. So it will be 255 degree. 255 degree less angle D is equal to 360 degree. So to find angle D, I should subtract 360 degree with 255 degree. So what would be my answer now? My answer would be 105 degree. You can subtract and check the answers. So this is the answer for the first one. So there is some special word given in the F question. So let me try that out for you. So let's all see F question. You have angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to 90 degree and you should find angle B. So first statement, angle A plus B plus C plus D is equal to 360. So all the angles are equal to 90 degree. That is what given here. So 90 plus 90 plus 90. I don't know angle B. So I keep it as it is equal to 360. So 90, 90, 90. What is the answer? It is 270 degree. Plus angle D is equal to 360 degree. Now to find angle D,